In a significant demonstration of democratic continuity and international solidarity, Narendra Modi was sworn in for an unprecedented third term as the Prime Minister of India.
मैं नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगा। मैं संघ के प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक और शुद्ध अंतःकरण से निर्वहन करूंगा।
The ceremony, which garnered global attention, took place at the Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi on Sunday in the presence of leaders from the neighbouring countries, India's strategic partners. Modi's reaffirmation of leadership underscores not only a shift in governance but also a steadfast commitment to democratic values and global peace. The PM was followed by a group of venerable leaders who vowed to serve the country, prominent figures who exemplified commitment and determination in their capacities as cabinet ministers. The new cabinet includes 30 cabinet ministers. Rajnath Singh, who held the Union Defence Minister's post in the previous government, was sworn in on Sunday. Amit Shah, who was the Union Home Minister in the Modi 2.0, was inducted into the new government. Nitin Gadkari, who held the post of Union Minister of Road and Transport, was a part of the newly formed NDA government. JP Nadda, who is the BJP National Chief, was the new entrant to the Narendra Modi-led cabinet. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, the former Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, has been given a cabinet berth. Nirmala Sitharaman, who held finance portfolio previously, was a part of new government. Dr. S. Jaishankar, who was the External Affairs Minister, was part of Modi 3.0. Manohar Lal Khattar, who quit as Haryana Chief Minister in March, was given cabinet post. H.D. Kumaraswamy, Chief of JDS, was sworn in as Union Minister in the PM Modi-led NDA government. Piyush Goyal, who secured his first Lok Sabha term after defeating Congress candidate, was sworn in as Union Minister. Dharmendra Pradhan, who was the Union Minister in previous government, was sworn in as Union Minister again. Jitan Ram Manjhi, founder of Hindustani Awam Morcha Secular, took oath as a Union Cabinet Minister. Rajiv Ranjan, aka Lalan Singh, leader from Nitish Kumar's JDU, took oath as a Union Cabinet Minister. Sarbanand Sonowal, BJP leader from Assam, was sworn in as Union Minister. Kinjarapu Ram Mohan Naidu, Telugu Desam Party leader, was included into Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led NDA government. Dr. Virendra Kumar took oath as Cabinet Minister in the third term of PM Modi-led government. Juwal Oram was sworn in as Union Minister in the Modi 3.0. Prahlad Joshi was sworn in as Union Minister on Sunday. Ashwini Vaishnav, who held the Railways portfolio previously, took oath as Union Cabinet Minister. Giriraj Singh was sworn in as Union Minister in the Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led NDA government. Jyotiraditya Scindia, who won his fifth term in Lok Sabha, was sworn in as Union Minister. Bhupendra Yadav, who was Union Cabinet Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change, was included in Modi 3.0. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, who won his third term from Jodhpur Lok Sabha constituency, took oath as Union Cabinet Minister. Annapurna Devi, a BJP leader, was sworn in as Union Minister in the PM Modi-led NDA government. Kiran Rijiju, who has been one of the key ministers in Narendra Modi cabinet since the BJP came into power in 2014, also took oath yesterday. Mansukh Mandavia, who held the post of Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare in previous regime, also took oath on Sunday. Hardeep Singh Puri, who has been a Rajya Sabha member since 2018, was sworn in as Union Minister. J.K. Reddy was sworn in as Union Minister in the newly formed NDA government. Chirag Paswan, whose party Lok Janshakti Party Ram Vilas allied with NDA, took oath in Modi 3.0. Rao Inderjeet Singh, who is a sixth-term MP, took oath as Union Minister of State, independent charge. Jitendra Singh, Udhampur MP, was sworn as Minister of State with independent charge. Arjun Ram Meghwal, Bikaner MP, took oath as MOS independent charge. Pratap Rao Jadhav, Shiv Sena leader from Eknath Shinde faction, was included in Modi 3.0. Jayant Chaudhary, whose party RLD allied with NDA before polls, was given MOS independent charge. Dignitaries from nearby countries and other countries graced the occasion, highlighting India's significant role on the global stage. President Ranil Wickremesinghe of Sri Lanka, President Mohammad Muizzu of the Maldives, PM Sheikh Hasina of Bangladesh, Vice President Ahmed Afif of the Seychelles, PM Shering Tobgay of Bhutan, PM Pushpa Kamal Dahal Prachanda of Nepal, and PM Praveen Kumar Jagannath of Mauritius were among the notable attendees, highlighting the spirit of regional unity and cooperation. The remarkable accomplishment of PM Modi is a magnificent moment to his unwavering commitment to the progress of India and his unflinching spirit. He has made history by becoming the first leader since Jawaharlal Nehru to win a third term in a row, thus continuing the great man's legacy. This enormous accomplishment not only confirms Modi's unshakable dedication to the development and prosperity of the country, but it also highlights his unmatched leadership abilities and the unflinching faith that the Indian people have placed in him. PM Modi's legacy shines brilliantly as a beacon of a new era of progress and governance, blazing the way towards a future full of promise and possibility for each and every member of the country.